So this question is based on percentage. It says a box contains some brown and green beads. Okay, so there are two types of beads. Then it says the number of green beads were 40% of the total number of beads. So now I will convert the 40% to a fraction, which is 40 over 100. And then simplify it to 2 over 5. Now let us identify what is 2 and what is 5. So 2 is the number of green beads and 5 is the total number of beads. Okay, now I'm going to put all this information in a table. So if there are 2 units of green beads at first and a total of 5 units of beads, the difference of 3 units will be the number of brown beads, because at first there are only brown and green beads. Okay, so let's go on to read the question. It says, after some yellow beads were added. So we are not told how many yellow beads were added, but there is a change here. The number of green beads became 26% of the total number of beads. Okay, so once again, I'm going to convert this 26% to a fraction, which is 26 over 100. 26 is the number of green beads in the end, and 100 is the total number of beads in the end. So once again, I'm going to put all this information in my table. So this means in the end, I have 26 parts of green beads and a total of 100 parts. So in this question, we notice that the number of green beads remain unchanged. So now we can convert the number of green beads at first to parts. So since there's no change in the number of green beads, I'm going to change the 2 units to 26 parts. Since 2 units is 26 parts, 1 unit is 13 parts. Therefore, the number of brown beads at first in parts would be 3 times 13, which is 39 parts. Once again, since there is no change to the number of brown beads, we can see that the number of brown beads in the end is 39 parts. So we know the total is 100 parts, and the green beads and the brown beads add up together to make up 65 parts. Therefore, the difference of 35 parts will be the number of yellow beads in the end. So the question is, what percentage of the beads are yellow? So first we need to come up with our fraction. So in this case, the denominator will be what comes after the word of. The beads is the denominator. Are yellow, the number of yellow beads is the numerator. So if I write that, that will be 35 over 100. But since they're asking us what percentage, we just need to multiply by 100. That will give us 35%.